Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. All of us need a little serum in our life, but not all serums are made the same. I have been super impressed with this Burt's Bees Intensive Firming Serum. As you can see here, this bottle is pretty big. It's the 1 ounce size, but it lasts quite a long time. And what I really like about this particular serum is that it says that it's the natural retinol alternative, because some of us have more sensitivities to retinol than others. The consistency of this serum is really lightweight, so you don't feel like it's oily or greasy. And when you go to put it on your skin, I feel like it really absorbs in there nicely. Some serums can make your face feel a little bit oily or greasy afterward, and this serum definitely does not do that. It made my face just feel nice and soft. So if you're looking for an everyday serum that is lightweight, has really good coverage, I have felt like I have really good success with this one in particular. Burt's Bees is a good brand, and that is just my point of view.